Oh, there he is. I'm getting out of here.
He's going.
Now you.
Do it again.
You're just a big Get away from me! Ow! Take my anger out on the concrete. You make it so.
Oh my god, that is ridiculous.
Hey,
That's awesome.
if you didn't act that way when I shot you, I wouldn't shoot you.
It just went in the ground.
He just went and flopped in the bush again.
Man, that one still hurts a little bit.
Dude, my stomach is hurting pretty bad. Dude, feel this. Feel
Jump
this.
to this one,
Dude, feel it.
Kyle.
You can feel right there. You can actually feel the welt.
Yeah, I'll let him get me because
Where?
I felt bad that I shot him right there.
Like.
No, Tyler. You know the ones we have? Why